innovating with technology, leading the future through precision manufacturing. Hongsheng. As intelligent technologies sweep across the globe, each wave of innovation continues to reshape the industrial landscape. Founded in 2005 in Chang'an, Dongguan, known as the mold capital of the world, Dongguan Hongsheng Metal and Plastic Technology Company Limited has grown steadily over the past 2 decades through resilience, focus, and craftsmanship. Today, Hongsheng has developed into a national high-tech enterprise and a specialized, sophisticated, and innovative enterprise, integrating mold design and manufacturing, injection molding, spray painting, and silkscreen printing, plastic part post-processing, and assembly. Moreover, the company holds more than 100 utility model and invention patents. Innovation is Hongsheng's core competitiveness. Supported by an experienced R&D team and cutting-edge manufacturing technologies, the company remains at the forefront of mold-making innovation. Advanced 2D and 3D design software, combined with mold flow analysis systems, enables precise simulation of the entire production process. Hongsheng provides one-stop mold and injection molding solutions for the industries of automotive, electronics, medical, and aerospace. The company is committed to delivering enhanced efficiency and quality to meet customers' diverse, high-precision requirements. Ingenuity in every detail, precision in every machine. Guided by micron-level precision standards, Hongsheng refines every product with exceptional attention to detail. The company is equipped with high-precision machinery, including FANUC high-speed CNC machines, SODEC wire-cut EDM systems, SODEC mirror finish EDM machines, and mold clamping equipment, ensuring stable quality and efficient production. With over 30 injection molding machines ranging from 80 to 530 tons from brands such as Sumitomo and Haitian, Hongsheng supports both high-volume production and complex mold trial runs, ensuring seamless transition from R&D to mass production. Hongsheng has also developed mature multi-material integration processes that enhance both product functionality and aesthetics. It offers comprehensive solutions for specialty engineering plastics, including high-temperature resistant, high-strength, radiation-resistant, and lightweight. Quality is fundamental to sustainable manufacturing and a core principle at Hongsheng. To ensure consistent quality, a high-precision testing laboratory has been established in full compliance with ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, and IATF 16949 quality management systems. The laboratory is equipped with advanced inspection and testing instruments such as hexagon coordinate measuring machines, CMMs, optical measuring systems, constant temperature and humidity chambers, tensile and torque testing machines, mold flow index testers, and a wide range of electronic testing equipment. Hongsheng's sales network covers China and extends to Southeast Asia, Japan, Europe, and North America, partnering with global leaders including BOE, MSI, Dell, Toshiba, Brother, Konica Minolta, Ricoh, BYD, NIO, and Volkswagen. Through its dedication to precision manufacturing and craftsmanship, Hongsheng brings the spirit and quality of made in China to customers around the world. Molds are the foundation of industry. Injection molding is the engine of mass production. Looking ahead, Hongsheng will continue to advance precision manufacturing, working closely with its partners in the era of intelligent manufacturing to drive smarter, more innovative manufacturing through technology and craftsmanship.